Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund from Wise. So, if your transfer gets cancelled or the recipient bank sends the money back to Wise, they will automatically refund it to the bank account or the card that you paid with. If you sent money from your Wise balance, they will refund it to the balance you used. Also, you will need to add a refund bank account details to your app. Or if you want to know how to raise a request for getting a refund, what you'll have to do is simply navigate to any browser on your mobile phone and log into wise.com. Now, log in to this page using your user credentials and it will open up your Wise application if you'll have it installed. Now, after opening the Wise application and logging in using your user credentials, you will see the home page. Now, in order to get a refund on any of the transactions, you'll have to first of all click on the see all after transactions. Now you'll see every transaction that will be made on your account. Now, in order to get a refund on your transactions, what you'll have to do is simply click on any one of the transactions. For example, I would want to get a refund on this one. I will click on that transaction. It will open up this page. Now, here I will see the details of this transaction. What I will have to simply do is click on the question icon at the top right of the screen. Now, here I'll have to choose if I would want to cancel this transfer and get a refund. I'll click on I want to cancel this transfers. So you can see they cannot cancel this transfer because it's already been processed. You can use your Wise account to transfer the money back to the sender. If you still need help, you'll have to click on I still need help and choose a conversation language, then choose your preferred option of communicating with the Wise team. For example, if you want to write an email to get your refund back, you'll have to choose email. Now, type in the message and tell Wise about the problem in this message. If you want to phone them, click on phone and it will show up this page where it will show your membership number and phone number to call you. You can click on call me and Wise team will instantly call you back and ask you about the refund you want. Now, you can also choose other kind of transaction like this one. Click on the question mark at the top and here you'll see a list of options that you can get help for. So here I'm going to click on something else. Now, I will choose I want to cancel this transfer. Click on I still need help and choose your conversation language and make sure you know this that you have a list of conversation language for the Wise Help Center. As you can see, I have English, Dutch, Spanish, Francis, and Indonesia, and a variety of options available. You can choose among any one of these languages and get help for getting a refund. Now, one more thing you need to keep in mind is you will need to add a refund bank account detail to get your refund. So, first of all, select the transfer on hold from list on your transactions. I don't have any, that's why I won't be able to show you this exact step. But simply select the transfer on hold from the list of your transactions. Then you will see a fix your transfer button. Click on that and provide your bank account details on the next page. This should be the same bank account that you have paid with. All fields are mandatory. Make sure you fill all of them. Once successful, you will receive a refund confirmation email from Wise. And after that, you would have successfully got your refund back from Wise. So that is the simple way through which you can get a refund from Wise. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.